It's gonna be a really good day, and you know, just two bros being dudes, being guys out in the creek.
Hard to beat. Tossing sticks, bro.
You know, just chucking bugs, tossing flies, being guys.
Oh, that was good.
I'll take that one.
Let's get it.
All right.
Yes!
For novelty, tell it like it is. What you're defending, I'll never know. Still the fool that I am, baby, wonder so.
What's a quick recap of spot number one?
Spot number one was very brief. We got lots of rocks in our chacos. We saw some bass. Probably not trout in there. And then it just got too deep.
Yeah.
It got too deep to the point where we just like wanted to move to spot number two.
We got some rocks on the chalks.
Rocks on the chalks, but
we're
heading to spot number two. Hopefully we'll do a little bit better. We got a little bit better water there.
Sounds good. Let's get it.
Time to fish now? You
Yeah.
ready?
Got it out of my system.
There you go.
I just had to rip a little bit. Concrete surf sesh. Enough child's play.
Button the shirt up.
I am the one, babe. I am the one for you. I am the one, babe. I am the one for you.
Oh! First cast.
Don't ask me how I know it. I just know. I am the one, babe. I am the one you need.
Nice. There it is.
I am the one, babe. I am the one you need. Don't give your heart to someone else.
Woo!
Yeah, we just added an extra dropper. It's a little deeper in this area, so that just helped it kind of weight it on the bottom, get it down more, and we were able to get the fish deeper.
First cast.
Worked. So Scotty just got a call, and what are we about to do?
We were just fishing. Hayden got one, and then Alyssa from Due South gave me a call and was like, "Hey, do you want to go float Tennessee?" And we were kind of just like bumming it around Boone, like trying to get into some water, but Tennessee sounds sick. So in like an hour, we're heading out there. Gonna maybe rip some streamers or just do whatever. It'll be sweet.
Heck yeah.
Sure enough, we didn't check the weather. We got all the way to the bow ramp and just started downpouring. Thunder, lightning, the whole deal. We really had no choice but to turn around. It was not safe to go down the river, so we decided to just come back. That is the little situation from yesterday or 2 days ago. Kind of what the week is looking like so far. I guess, you know, we're just going to have weeks like this with a lot of rain. We're in the mountains. You can't really do anything about it. But yeah, let's get back to the episode. It's Thursday, very overcast. The weather's not been good this week, but there's no rain, so I'm going to try to get out and fish. But first, I got to eat. Then I got to get my coffee made, and then we're good. We upgraded a little bit from episode 1. About to head out of here, throw in some Ava Brothers, get a little jam going, and then hit the river. I just got to the stream. Here it is, right over there. So above, there's like a bridge, and above that is, it's not private, but you can't fish it because it's like basically like a nature preserve by Grandfather Mountain. So let's see, I've never fished this. Let's see if it's got some fish in it. I think I'm gonna hike down a little bit and then work my way back up, kind of stay away from the river. But yeah, I'll try to set this up if I can, and let's do it. First one of the day. She's a beaut.
Oh yeah. There it is. Yeah, a little rainbow. Keep him in the water. Little guy. There it goes.
So I've been out here like 30 minutes now. Just kind of sat down, take a quick break. I'm gonna get some water and then dig into some of this bomb trail mix. This stream seems pretty good. Not like the best stream I've ever fished, but I'm liking it so far. I mean, the water's crystal clear. It's beautiful. So quick conclusion, this is a beautiful stream, absolutely gorgeous. You know, the water is crystal clear, like look. Like you can see right to the bottom without even sunglasses. I'm a little disappointed to have more fish in it. Maybe it's just me, maybe I was just really bad today. But either way, I was just a little disappointed. You know, but that's kind of how blue lining goes. You find a stream and you go check it out, and it might look great, but there might be no fish. And I think that's kind of what happened today. There were a couple fish I caught there, but nothing to brag home about, which is all right. So now I'm gonna be heading out. I'm gonna go get some lunch and go hang out and charge up some batteries and whatnot for a little bit. And then my boy Hayden gets off work tonight around 4 or 5, and I think we're gonna go try to fish for a couple hours until sunset. Fun day, nonetheless. Great time being out here. Just not a lot of fish caught, which is all good. All right, so really quickly, something I thought is kind of cool about this whole weekly adventure series of vlog type of videos that, you know, before I decided to do this, we'd probably go out, film, and do our little trips or whatever. And if we didn't really catch fish or we got bad footage, we wouldn't make a video. We'd just kind of like leave it, and it's just stuck in the hard drive. But you know, doing a video a week is forcing me to, you know, get out of my comfort zone, and put out what I have, because, you know, basically what we shoot is what we're gonna put out, even if it's not super top-notch footage. And that's kind of what this whole thing's meant to be. So if you guys are enjoying it, that's awesome. I'm enjoying making this and bringing you guys behind the scenes. Hopefully get to know me a little better. But yeah, heading back to the car, and then I'm gonna go stuff my face in some food for sure. All right, we'll see you in a few hours. Yes, sir. I gotta get your wildflower shirt on.
Yes! I'll do it.
All right, everybody. This is my roommate Yuri, and he's about to go fly fishing for the first time. Should be fun. He's never done it before. He's caught some catfish, right?
Oh, yeah.
So I'm excited to show him how it's done. We're gonna go meet up with Hayden Cheek and then get after it.
What do you got to say about your first fly fishing experience?
Excited.
Excited. You got the. What's this? What's this?
The wild fly.
Yeah.
Gotta rep it off.
Gotta rep it. We're gonna get into those. Yeah, those are called waders.
This is cool.
Wrong foot.
Wrong foot?
Yeah, gotta get.
Has anything weird ever happened when you fish, Scotty?
How you feeling in those?
Amazing.
Ready to fish?
Ready.
What's up, hombre? I know Yuri's psyched.
Oh yeah, I'm ready.
Got the honors. You ready?
All day.
How's that feel in your hand?
Wait, where do I hold it? Just here?
Yeah, right there.
It's like the scene where Harry Potter gets his wand. And then he just goes ham from there on out.
So you're Harry Potter, this is your wand. You're gonna do crazy stuff, alright? Get ready.
Let's do it. Alright. Alright, so this is how you catch a fish.
He spooked.
Can I help it if I want you tonight? If I leave it, baby, will you
Welcome to fly fishing, Yuri.
It's so much fun. I swear, it's so much fun. You just get caught in sticks and you get caught in grass.
Oh! Oh, did you see that, Yuri?
Wait, do I have to run after it?
No, no. He'll bring it towards you.
I'll bring it.
You know we got that good. Yuri, what you know about the good?
Don't you just hate when your dry fly's all wet? I sure do. But thanks to
Frog's Fanny.
Frog's Fanny.
It'll get the job done.
It does. About to go Bob Ross on this dry fly. About to toss it out, catch some fish. Fish always jump when you're tangled. They always do.
That's one of those things about fly fishing.
Look at that.
Oh my god.
Dude, that was a big one. Oh my god. Face upstream. Try to face upstream. Oh! Yes! Nice, dude. That was sick. Get ready, Yuri. Yeah! There you go. Look at that, boy. Munching on a little late night snack.
Whoop. Took a little swim right there. Good net job.
Just wait, just wait. I'll bring him up. Alright, ready? Yeah, there you go. Look at that, isn't that pretty?
Yeah. Alright.
Oh. Kind of explains our day. Stuck in a tree.
Yuri, this is fly fishing. I'm looking for this crawdad still. I don't know where it is.
He's moved on to bigger and better things with the crawfish. He didn't care about trout anymore.
How's she looking?
She's gone.
Wow, what a day. Skipped work.
Alright, Yuri. First day, what do you think?
Amazing.
Amazing?
Yeah.
Alright, so that concludes episode 3. Had to throw this light on really quick. Hayden's playing a little tune, which is nice. Weather was kind of bad. Today was a little bit nicer, but the fishing was a little bit slower. Hope you guys still enjoyed it. I know Yuri enjoyed it making the episode. And,
Oh yeah, the guest appearances.
guest appearance. And yeah, we'll see you next week. Let's hear another tune. That's nice. That was
Alright.
nice. That was good.
Ready?